Ready to turn your Toncoin into Tether and level up your crypto game? First things first, log into your Bybit account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Bybit interface. Look for the navigation bar commonly found on the top or bottom. In the navigation bar, locate and click on the trade or spot button. This will take you to the spot trading interface where we'll be conducting the swap. Now, within the spot trading interface, locate the trading pair selection area. This is where you tell Bybit what you want to trade. Search for TON, USDT, the trading pair for Toncoin and Tether, or scroll until you find it selected. You should now be on the TON, USDT trading page. This page displays the order book, price charts, and order entry form. Since we're selling Toncoin, we'll focus on the sell side. You'll need to specify the amount of ton you wish to sell. Below this you'll find the order type. Choose market. The market order type will execute your trade immediately at the current market price. Under the price, you will see the amount of ton you currently have. Type in how much ton you would like to sell. Otherwise, tap the percentage option to automatically sell a percentage of your available ton. Then review your order one last time. Once you have done so, click the Sell Ton button to execute your trade. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction. A confirmation message will appear indicating your trade has been successfully executed. To confirm, check your transaction history. You should see that your ton has been swapped for USDT. Congratulations! You've successfully swapped your Toncoin for Tether on Bybit. Now, maximize your crypto